It's going off.
Let's go. Oh,
You don't have to pause it, you can turn it down.
Please stand by. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oneida County until 6 o'clock p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Utica, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Oneida County.
Missed it 3 times again in the beginning.